Hello everyone! Today I want to teach you how to make this little pumpkin, and it's about just 3 centimeters. To make this mini pumpkin, I'm using Sinfonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn, it's about 3 millimeters and has 6 threads. And using this yarn, I prefer use a 2.5 millimeters hook. Depend on the yarn that you select, maybe the size on your finer pumpkin will be different like me. And also you need to select the correct hook. We need a wool needle and stuffing. And that's it. This is all the materials that we need to make this mini pumpkin. And in the past, I used this pumpkin for these gnomes. It's for autumn. In the description below, you can find the link if you want to make these gnomes. And also, we already have a right pattern, a PDF available on our website, Gretawings.com. You can buy the PDF or you can follow our tutorials. It's up to you, however you prefer. And also we have another design similar than this, but thinking on Christmas. I'm showing you that now. They are so beautiful and a little different. I hope you like it and you want to do it, but with this tutorial we will make just the mini pumpkin. Using pumpkin color yarn, on round 1 we will start with a magic rain and then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can close the magic rain, put some mark if you think that is necessary with you. And in round 2 we will make 6 increase, working in a spiral, 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. In round 3, starting with 1 single crochet and later 1 increase, we will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 18 points. On round 4, starting with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase all round. We will finish this round with 24 points. On rounds 5 and 6, 24 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same on round 6, 24 single crochet more. On round 7, starting with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 18 points. On round 8, 18 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 9, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. We will repeat all round. 1 single crochet, and later 1 decrease. It's the same around. We will finish this round with 12 points. And on round 10, in the last round, we will make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. I prefer make 12 single crochet and no 6 decrease, but if you want to make 6 decrease also you can do it, but making 12 single crochet you can put the stuff later, and after that close. Then pay close attention and you can see how I close this little pumpkin, and please don't put a lot of stuff, just a little. For the stem, I will use tobacco color yarn, starting with the slip knot and then 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Later, starting in the second chain, taking the back loops only, we will make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for make the union now with the little pumpkin. And pay close attention how to make that, and also later I will show you how to make the union with the hat. ready this little pumpkin, remember, you can use it in whatever project that you want. Bye bye!